Just going to do a tutorial here on how to properly check and monitor the nitrogen that is in your shocks. You can do this in any shock, snowmobile, race car. I'm currently working on a Ford Raptor shock here, but I just wanted to show everybody how to use the gauge. There's similar gauges out there. I believe this one's the best one. You don't lose much when you're putting this gauge on. The longer your hose that goes to your gauge, the more you're going to lose out of this chamber every time, and it's not going to put it back in. Anybody that talks about a no loss gauge, you're never, there's no gauge that you're not going to lose unless you actually put it back in while you have it on. So here we go. Just going to do this one. I already put the nitrogen in it. We're going to set this at 250. Just bleeding it out right here. Look at that. Now when it gets to 250, let it sit there for just a couple seconds. What it's doing is it's equalizing between the gauge and whatever your gas chamber is. Sometimes the gas chamber is right inside the shock here, but it's just equalizing. So see, it went back up just a little over 250. So bleed it back down. You're at 250. Screw this off, you'll hear a little bit of a ch. That was it. When you put this back on, you're going to see it pop right back up. That's about as close to a no loss gauge as you can get. Without getting into it, there's a lot of other gauges out there. I've got this one right here. A lot of people think this is a no loss gauge. It's no different than this button right here. This is just a knob. This is just your T handle. I've seen them all. I've used them all. This is the best one for the money. It's $79.99 and we sell them here. Thank you.